recording. I'll go first. Move the triangle, please.
Okay. This is Transformers versus Humans. Miss.
Didn't miss that bad. There! For Pete's sake!
You made it in stripes.
There you go. Penalty. Crap.
Still missed it. Oh,
Penalty.
penalty.
What?
Penalty.
Okay. Which hole? Oh, I see it. Never mind.
Oh.
Here you go, Mr. Transformer.
Oh. That hurts.
I'm gonna drop for a perfect shot.
That was perfect. Damn.
I know. It's too bad it wasn't one of your solids. Damn.
Yeah. That's a
Penalty. Penalty, Transformer. And I'm gonna call you from now. Okay, go.
Mr. Robot penalty.
There you are.
And then I have to do it this way. Dang it.
Nice. Thanks for the local spot.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah. Go.
No.
Haha.
That sucks.
Go. Mister, thanks for making the score for me.
Guys, I think... No, actually, I am winning. I was gonna say I think he was winning, but... Oh, yeah. Because I'm a robot. I know these guys. They're my friends.
They're
my
pool
homies.
balls. They aren't robots.
Oh, they're still my homies.
Oh, so close.
Come on, homies. Help me out here.
Haha.
Thank you.
You did it. Aw. Go.
I wish I could re-hit that. Oh, don't get so mad at it.
Your turn.
Just because it's my friend doesn't mean you have to get jealous and get mad.
What? I don't know what he's talking about, folks.
Yeah, but they know what I'm talking about.
By the way, please
They're
add
just probably
comments.
wondering why a 12-year-old kid is being beat by a big robot.
No, that's probably because the robot might have a little bit more experience, but you never know. But please add comments after this.
Okay. Add me, I'm Shantardi. I'm just dressed up in a robot head.
Yeah, and I'm
The next video.
Dad464. You'll see it on my, you'll see the video on my account.
Yeah, this is Dad464, and I'm Shantardi. Please add and comment. I'm kicking your butt.
I don't think so.
I do.
Let's see, I have 4 shaped, you have 3 colored, 3 solids, plus a black one.
So I have less balls than you.
That you probably do, robot. That you probably do. Ooh, that was so close to making me
I
win.
know.
Damn, I hit it.
Oh.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
Hell yeah. Damn it.
He sometimes sucks at playing people.
Sometimes.
Ooh, thanks for the penalty shot. See, like right now, he's sucking badly.
Exactly.
Roll. Damn.
I'm getting so mad that I'm sucking. Usually I don't play like this, folks.
Usually he plays me face to face, but today I guess he wants to play robots.
I just made yours in.
I know, thank you.
Kinda sucks.
Nice penalty shot for me.
Folks, this is an accident. I swear, I'm not supposed to be playing like this. That's how I should be playing. Ha ha. I got 2 more left. My 4 and my 8 ball.
Unless I happen to make every shot, and then I have the 8 ball to go too. Go ahead, hit the 8 ball into the hole. The hole. Last time I lost this game by making the 8 ball.
So that one made all his other ones in.